AI is changing the game of digital products. Beginners are using it to create faster and sell faster. Here are the 7 AI digital products that you can sell in 2026. You don't need to be tech savvy. Use AI to save time, not to replace you. Product number 1, AI assisted ebooks. AI helps you with outlines and drafts. And what is this going to help you? AI will come out with the structure of the book that you want according to the prompt that you've given it, and you can go ahead and paste your book in Google Docs and go ahead and edit it, add in your own personal touch. Remember, AI is not replacing you. You go ahead in Google Docs, paste what AI has given you, go ahead and edit it. You edit it according to your liking. You add it your own personal experience. Maybe, for example, you are writing an ebook for mothers who have given birth through C-section. Then you can go ahead and add in your experience. How were the stitches, the pain that you experienced, how you were able to overcome it, how long did it take you to heal from that experience. Adding your own personal touch will help you to add more value than a person who just copy and paste the book to the platform where they want to sell to. Remember, AI is not a human being, so you have to go ahead and check what it has given you to edit it, or you can hire a proofreader to edit it and add some different things for you. Product number 2, AI Canva templates. Nowadays, you can design faster using AI. Yes, you can design this AI Canva templates nowadays. With the use of AI, you can design images in Canva, you can design calendars in Canva, you can design a lot of things in Canva, you can change images in Canva using AI, you can create storybooks in Canva using AI. So this is going to help you to design faster using Canva AI, and you can go ahead and sell this because not so many people have the time to go ahead and design everything from scratch. So you can use Canva AI to create faster designs for you, and you can go ahead and sell them to people who don't have the time to create that. That's number 3, AI content planners. Creators want done for you systems. A person can't go ahead and be creating content every day without a plan or without a system that helps them. Nowadays, with a lot of competition in the content creation world, people need to stay consistent, but they have their content to be planned out. And if it's not planned out for them, it leads to people to get tired and give up on their dreams of content creation. But if they have a planning system, their work is simple and easier. They know when to post, they know what to post, and which content that is going to help people. And this is where AI content planning comes in. It plans everything for them, and you can be selling this to as a digital product to content creators who want it. Product number 4, these are AI prompt packs, and this work really good because nowadays a lot of AI is coming every day, and if you don't know the prompt to put into AI, it's going to give you what you did not ask for. But if a person has the right prompt, it's going to help AI to do the right thing for them. Remember, AI is not a human being, so it can't give you perfectly what you asked for if you don't put in the right prompt. And a lot of people don't know how to create prompts that they can use in AI. So if you can create prompts, this will be a great problem solved, and this is going to make you a lot of money because people will know what they can paste into their AI that they are using in order to get the right results that they want. So that's a great digital product that you can go ahead and jump on right now. Next, number 5, AI workbooks. These are booming like high and like crazy because learning materials will always boom. People always want to learn something new, and not so many people know about AI. So if you create books like this, they are going to help people know more about AI and how they can use it, because it's revolving every day and not so many people know it. So if you are helping people to know more about this AI that they are seeing on their phones and everywhere, it's going to help you generate a lot of sales, because you are also helping those ones who would want to use AI but they don't know how. So if you are creating workbooks on how they can use AI, on how they can prompt it, on how they can get better results from it, this is really going to help your digital product business. So you can go ahead and create this as a digital product. Product number 6, AI planners and trackers. Structure plus automation equals sales. So everybody needs to have a structure on how they can run their business, on how they can run their life. If you don't have a structure, you end up not achieving anything. That's why planners will work. And nowadays with AI, you can use this to create it as a digital product. And nowadays people are also creating their own AI bots, so people need to plan them and to structure them. Or you can be using AI to create planners for business people, for stay-home moms, and so much more. And this is going to help boost your business because planners sell year-round. People want to plan on a daily basis. They want to know how their plan is going to be in the morning, how their plan is going to be in the evening, in the afternoon, the next day, the next week, the next month. And this is really going to help your business because it's an evergreen product. Yes, it's an evergreen product and you can sell it year round and year round as long as you create it in the right niche. Product number 7, AI social media templates. Businesses always need content. Nowadays, it's like no business can run without content. People need content for TikTok. People need content for Instagram, for YouTube, for Pinterest. There are a lot of so many social medias right now. And nowadays you can use AI to create all of these contents. You can use AI to create these videos. You can use AI to create these pins for you, and it makes work simple and easy. But nobody has the time to go in, maybe create 30 videos using AI. But you can use AI, maybe create 30 videos for TikTok, maybe 30 videos for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, and people can go ahead and buy it. Yes, or you can create things like Pinterest pins or Pinterest videos that people can use, and you can use AI to generate these videos for you in a matter of minutes and seconds as long as you use the right prompts. So this is going to be a good digital product because people need content to use in their business. They need content to promote products, those ones who are doing affiliate marketing and more. So you can be selling these videos to them, you can be selling these pins to them, and that's also a good digital product that you can start. Tools to use. These are the tools that most beginners use. They use ChatGPT and Canva, and me too, I use them. First of all, they are not complicated, but nowadays as AI is revolving every day, there are also other tools that you can use. You can use also like Gemini, Nano Banana. There are so many of them nowadays, and if you know any other AI that really works good, you can put it in the comment section below so that we can also go ahead and try it. You don't need to know AI, you just need to know how to use it. AI does not replace beginners. It helps them to start faster. Subscribe if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this.